This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always consult a licensed financial advisor before investing. In our last video, Marcus invested $50 a month into Coca-Cola for 6 years and turned $3,600 into $5,200 with $148 a year in passive income. Today we do 3 things. Double his monthly investment to $100, explain why compound interest is the most powerful force in investing, and ask, what if Marcus had started 20 years ago? First, compounding. Most people think investing is about picking the right stock. It is not. It is about time. Compounding means your returns earn returns. Dividends buy shares. Those shares pay more dividends. Those dividends buy more shares. Every quarter, the snowball gets heavier. In year 1, the growth feels invisible. By year 10, it becomes obvious. By year 20, it becomes life-changing. Einstein reportedly called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world. The person who understands it earns it. The person who does not pays it. Now let us double Marcus to $100 a month over 6 years. Same Coca-Cola, same drip, same Fidelity account. Total invested, $7,200. Portfolio value, approximately $10,400. Total gain, $3,200, or 44%. Shares owned, approximately 140, including 24 free DRIP shares. Annual dividend income, $296 per year. $74 every quarter, automatically reinvested. Doubling the contribution slightly accelerated the outcome because those extra DRIC shares compounded on top of each other. Now the big question. What if Marcus had started in June 2006, 20 years ago, investing $100 every month with DRIP? Total cash invested, $24,000. KO traded around $22 per share in 2006. His early shares were cheap. The dividend was only 62 cents per year then, but he kept buying through the 2008 crash, through 2020, through every dip, and DRIP kept working silently the entire time. Estimated portfolio value today, approximately $58,000 to $62,000. Shares owned, over 700, with more than 200 purchased entirely by reinvested dividends, shares he never paid for out of pocket. Annual dividend income today, approximately $1,480 per year. That is $370 every quarter for doing nothing. He put in $24,000. He has over $58,000 in value, plus $1,480 every year in growing passive income. And the dividend raises every year without him lifting a finger. That is the compound effect. Time turns patience into wife. 3 lessons. Start early. 20 years beats 6 by a factor of 10, not 3. Never stop. Every month you skip breaks the chain. Reinvest everything. DRIP shares are free money that multiplies. Numbers are estimates based on historical data. Investing carries risk. Next video, yield on cost, the metric that makes long-term dividend investors never want to sell. Subscribe so you do not miss it.